guys, and welcome back to another daily vlog. It's currently Saturday and it's currently about 1 o'clock. Normally I'll be heading off to the railway, but the weather is a little bit wet, a little bit not correct. So let's just enjoy our time, have a nice relaxing Saturday, because I think it's the first Saturday I've just had to myself. And I kind of need it. Well, I definitely needed to go out for a walk today. I don't think the weather's going to improve any more than it is now. So this is definitely something we're going to need to do. Now it's just a case of walking the dogs, and then I've got to go shopping, go grab some extra stuff. It's wet, it's windy. Doesn't make very good content when it comes to filming. I'm going to go to Lidl in a bit and go and grab myself some food. It's either Lidl or Aldi, I can't remember which one it is. But I like to go there, grab some food and go from there. Just popped into Lidl to go and grab basically the essentials, some food and everything else. I even found a Christmas calendar, which is a Reese's one, and I love Reese's chocolate. So fingers crossed that works out. Now let's go home and unpack this. Well, this printer layout now has definitely made some changes. As you can probably tell, this is most likely to be designed to be on the left-hand side of the 3D printer, where I've always had it over there. So yeah, this is definitely making things easier. The issue with my filament today was due to this one here, liking to overlap and kind of screw up and everything else, which is brilliant, but has caused me no matter amount of stress. Big massive shout out to Adam TK Wallace for helping me out with everything to do with 3D printing as well. If you ever want to have any sort of assistance, head over to my Discord. There's a 3D printing forum over there, and I'm sure someone will be able to give you some advice. And that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching today's video. If you have enjoyed it, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. Till then, bye-bye. Thanks for watching the latest vlog. Why not click subscribe right in the centre of your screen, or click on the left video to watch yesterday's daily vlog, or why not check out the playlist where you can watch every single vlog from day one.